cars are there.
Yeah. This thing's sick. Yeah, it's 651 horsepower with the V12 engine. I just detailed this car last night, so if y'all look at it, like, it looks cleaner than ever. There might be a few spots here and there because we had the garage open up all night, but this thing is looking pretty clean today. Gonna blow up.
Puzzle as I backtracked a million times, nothing's equivalent to the New York state of mind.
Guys, this is where we get our oil change.
A few minutes later.
I got it.
You don't got it?
No.
Damn, baby. Holy shit. This is a sick ass car, but later y'all are gonna see even more sick cars. Cause alone, this is fucking nuts. Is that where they all meet up?
The people from this side of the island, yeah.
Is that it? Yeah, it is. Remix. There's two Ferraris there.
First things first, I pop the freaks, all the honeys, dummies, playboy bunnies, those wanting money. Those the ones I like, cause they don't get Nathan but penetration, unless it smells like sanitation.
And there's a little Beamer over there. Oh, buddy.
Here we go.
Oh, buddy. That Porsche shit's sick, dude. That's a 911 turbo right there. Too many people.
Huh?
Too many people on the freeway.
Yeah, you'll see though. Where we're going, it's gonna open up.
Yeah. Oh, they're all up there, aren't they?
No, most of them are behind us, dude.
I know.
Like 3 of them are up there. Don't matter. Shouldn't be racing around in this kind of weather anyway.
See you. Yeah, we can. Look, the truck wants to join in. All right, my camera died, guys. Like, literally. Well, my memory card ran out, but... They're gonna rip it. This is where we're supposed to be. Someone just popped their trunk. There's the orange Lambo. The blue Spider RS. Looks absolutely beautiful with the clean wash I just did yesterday. We got I forgot which one this Ferrari is, and then we got a Huracan behind it, in orange, and then a Spider, and then up there we have a Ferrari, then we have a 911, and then we have another Lamborghini, or no, the first one was a Lambo, and we have 3 Ferraris in front of that, which is fucking sick, bro. There is so many cars here, it's not even funny, bro. This is probably like $10 million in cars. 1 Lambo? 2 Lambo? 3 Lamborghinis, yo. So that means there's like 6 now here. Jeez. That is one of my dream cars right there, that Porsche. Then we got a 520 and then 3 more Lambos. See the 520?
Yeah, that thing?
The McLaren 520.
Yeah.
S. Sick.
About fucking what, $30 million worth of cars are there?
Yeah.
Out there on this lot, you know.
Yeah.
Brother. There's another one. Is that a Ferrari?
Right.
Oh, that's sick, dude. There's so many cars here.
Today's drive, we're gonna go Northshore a little bit, right? So we're gonna go towards this old sugar mill.
All the cars, dude. Bunch of Ferraris, Lambos, Porsches. Our car is right over there, though. Sick, dude. Aura. Biker boy.
We're probably, holy fuck, look at all those goddamn supercars!
Honestly, I think one of my favorites is the Porsches, dude.
Yeah.
The 911s. All right, here we go. Brother.
What are the cars? A 20-car pileup.
Huh?
A 20-car pileup?
Like where they all crash? Alright, we'll see y'all at the one place.
Turn left on Hawaii
Brother.
Northwest. Head northeast.
Where do we park, bruh?
We're just parking behind here.
Sure, go to brother. You can see our car back there, but that's us. Should I jump? No spots.
Yeah, we're missing a bunch.
Yeah. Everybody. Sick ass cars, yeah. This is one of my dream cars. I was just looking at it last night. Here's what we are driving, yo. We going home?
I got bird shit on it already.
Dog.
Bruh.